Samsung Galaxy S23 line. For Europeans, the jump in performance should be particularly noticeable, thanks to the Snapdragon Urgent to overclocked chipset. The Galaxy Dream chip is going to be not only the best shape for Galaxy smartphones, but also the laptop. That will potentially bring a proper channel to Apple's M series chips neck to neck. It's a lot of time for Samsung to make the best 2025, and we can expect greatness from Samsung. No doubt Samsung's own Exynos brand will be back. Perhaps it will have a different name, but it will be back soon. Qualcomm is not going to take the forever players. Hopefully Samsung could actually unlock the ultimate beast. Apart from this, you might be thinking Exynos is dead, but that's not really the case. It's still here for the mid-range Galaxy A series. The Exynos 1330 and 1380 was spotted it. Finally, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the fastest phone of next year, beating a 16 Bionic chipset in Geekbench and GPU performance. For those who don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a special edition Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. And with overclocked CPU, we are also getting in the overclocked GPU 719 MHz instead of 680 MHz on a normal standby 8 Gen 2, which brings some of the big improvements over the last year, with 40% power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency brings some of the big numbers and battery of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is on its way to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first week of February, with a great priorities, and phones will hit the market on 17th of February. Now Samsung has to add this capability to the S23 Ultra. Well, a couple of other features are also coming, including the new Ultra Stabilization mod, and having an ability to record portrait videos at 2.8K or even 4K, just like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now it makes the S23 Ultra the best Samsung phone with 200 megapixel camera out there. Furthermore, Galaxy S23 Ultra has indeed good design than that S22 Ultra, even though they are almost identical. According to Ice Universe, Samsung S23 Ultra's edges will be more flat. That will make it easier to hold than the rounded S22 Ultra, which means the screen is not as curved as the S22 Ultra's display. Actually, the sides of middle frame will be more square in this 23 Ultra, while the S22 Ultra has rounded corners. I think S23 Ultra will look quite thicker. However, Samsung Ultras has one of the cleanest looking designs among other smartphones. We are looking forward to experience an even better version of this with the S23 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.